Today's video is sponsored by Adobe. DaVinci did it again. This new update is even better than the previous one. Let's pretend this voice slave is the exact same as before, and move on. Obviously, most of you already know the big things they added, so I'm not going to spend 2 hours going slowly to every new tool we have. Finally, after so many updates, they added the photo page. I guess Adobe is very happy for this. You can add photos from your library to your album like you do in Lightroom. Once you open the inspector, you can see the basic tools you need. You have the scopes, which you can change if you want, but as we all know, no one really understands those, so no one cares. Then you have the basic image controls as expected. You have the cropping presets and controls you need to crop your image. In the looks, you have some basic looks, but it's clear they didn't spend so much time for these looks. For example, the black and white. As you can see, it's not even black and white. You can see the red colors are still there. But anyway, I guess they will improve it later. It's really useful to have a photo page. For now, we have most of the controls we need for the basics, and you can always go to the color page and pretend that you are a professional colorist. Some new effect also added, like the face reshaper. Detect the face, track the clip, and then you can play around with the sliders and destroy the face of this young rapper. Not for everyone, but I will use it for sure, and let's hope they are going to add more things like this one. The Face Age Transform is also a fan new tool to play around. For some reason, whatever I tried it seemed that is not working on this person. Maybe he is an immortal vampire, who knows. They added some more gimmicky tools, but in my opinion, the most important tools are in the Fusion page. Right-click to any slider that you want to animate, and select to modify it with Fairlight Animator. Go to the Modifiers tab, and here you have Scale, which is the max value you want to go, and the offset, which is the minimum point. This is basically an audio reactor, one of the most important things missing from DaVinci. Definitely, I'm going to use this modifiers a lot. But this is not the best thing in this new update. The best tool is getting overlooked because of all these AI gimmicks. If you are not familiar with the Crocodove tools, shame on you. This is taking Fusion to the next level. I will spend some future videos on specific tools and how to use them, but for now, I'll go through a couple of tools that I like. Bring your tool search window and type Crocodove. All these tools are new and really powerful. Most of them are mainly made for motion graphics, but if you are creative enough, you can use them also as an effect on your video. Few examples. Rasterize. You can change the input channel, adjust the pattern size, you can change the shape, the color to use the image, or any external color. Same thing for the shape. You can set the type to shape and connect any shape you want. For example, I will use a text node, connect it to the green point, and as you can see, the image is made out of the text. Another tool is the channel shifter. With this, you can adjust the red, green, and blue channel separately. Painterly is also one that I like. You can again set the type to custom and use any brush image to make the effect look cooler. But the king of the throne is the time mapper. This is a tool that I was asking for years. Basically what it does is that it offset the time based on a gradient black and white image. You set the offset frame that you want for the black parts and for the white parts. Then add a gradient image and connect it to the green point of the node. And depending on the gradient you have, you will see a different displacement. This is the most powerful tool in this new update. You have to believe me on this and spend some time with this node. I guess combined with the new audio reactor modifiers, it can be very cool. And the best part is that the boss gives this update again for free. You know what is not free though? My rent. So you can buy one of my packs.